셋, 별.
Want to unlock the secret to soft, glowing skin and silky hair? Baby oil isn't just for babies, it's a game changer for your beauty routine. From hydrating your skin to adding a gorgeous shine to your hair, this affordable beauty hack can do it all. Stay tuned for the best baby oil tips to take your glow up to the next level. Shaving with baby oil can be a great alternative to traditional shaving creams or gels. It provides a smooth glide, reduces irritation, and helps keep your skin moisturized.
Baby oil can be an effective and gentle makeup remover, especially for waterproof makeup.
Apply a small amount of baby oil onto a cotton pad. Gently rub the oil onto your face in circular motions, then wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any oil residue and prevent clogged pores. You can use baby oil as a body moisturizer, and many people do, especially for dry or sensitive skin. Baby oil locks in moisture, gentle for sensitive skin, leaves skin soft and glowing, long-lasting hydration, but baby oil not ideal for acne-prone skin. Baby oil is great for nail care, especially for moisturizing cuticles and keeping nails healthy and shiny. Baby oil keeps cuticles soft and prevents painful hangnails. It helps prevent dryness, flaking, and brittleness. It gives a natural, healthy sheen to bare nails, and hydrated nails and cuticles are less prone to breakage or splitting. Baby oil can be used as a perfume enhancer, and it actually works surprisingly well, especially if you want your scent to last longer and project better. How to use baby oil with perfume. After showering, apply a thin layer of baby oil on pulse points, wrists, neck, behind ears, inner elbows. Let the oil absorb slightly but not fully dry. Spray your perfume directly over the baby oil. Baby oil can help control frizz, especially if you're in a pinch or prefer lightweight, multi-purpose products. It works similarly to hair oils by sealing in moisture and smoothing the hair cuticle. It seals moisture, smooths flyaways, adds shine, tames dry ends. On dry hair, for finishing touches, warm 1-2 drops between your palms, gently smooth over frizzy areas, focusing on ends and flyaways. Avoid the scalp or roots to prevent greasiness. On damp hair, before blow drying, apply a very small amount to the ends and mid-lengths. Style as usual. It helps lock in moisture and reduce post-blow-dry frizz. Baby oil can help improve the appearance of dark underarms. It can support skin repair and brightness over time by keeping the area moisturized and reducing irritation. Apply a thin layer of baby oil to clean dry underarms. Best done at night to avoid stickiness during the day. Baby oil can be used to achieve a dewy makeup look, but it needs to be applied carefully to avoid looking overly shiny or causing your makeup to slide. It's best used as a highlighter or glow booster, not all over your face. After finishing your makeup, dab a tiny amount of baby oil on the high points of your face, cheekbones, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, brow bone, or you can use under makeup as a glowy base. Apply baby oil very lightly after your regular moisturizer. Let it absorb for a few minutes before applying makeup. This gives your skin a lit from within glow under sheer or dewy foundations. Baby oil can be used for lip care, and it's actually a simple, gentle way to keep lips soft, smooth, and hydrated. Dab a small amount onto clean lips. Reapply as needed throughout the day. As an overnight lip treatment, apply a slightly thicker layer before bed. Wake up with softer, smoother lips. Baby oil can be helpful for stretch marks, mainly by keeping the skin well moisturized and improving its elasticity, which may reduce the appearance of stretch marks over time and make your skin feel softer and smoother. How to use baby oil for stretch marks. Apply baby oil right after showering when your skin is still damp. Massage gently into areas prone to stretch marks: belly, hips, thighs, breasts, using circular motions. Use daily. Consistency is key for best results. These are some of the tips using baby oil. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.